Information about Douglasie. Douglas fir, Pseudotsuga menziesii, commonly referred to as Douglasie, is an evergreen conifer tree that is native to western North America, ranging from British Columbia in Canada to central California in the United States. It is named after Scottish botanist David Douglas, who first collected specimens of the tree in the 1820s. Douglasie trees are among the tallest in the world, with heights of up to 330 feet, 100 meters, and diameters of up to 13 feet, 4 meters. The bark is thick, gray-brown, and furrowed, and the needles are flat, soft, and about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, long. The wood of the Douglas fir is strong and durable, with a light reddish-brown color and a straight grain. It is used for a variety of applications, including construction lumber, plywood, furniture, and pulp for paper production. The tree is also important for wildlife, providing habitat for birds and mammals such as squirrels and black bears. Douglasie is a popular tree for landscaping and forestry, but it is also considered an invasive species in some parts of the world where it has been introduced, including New Zealand and parts of Europe.